wrong product to the right person?
I mean, I can go on and on.
Let's
because
just try for the top three maybe.
So the top three, I think the first one is credit. I mean, the credit, though, insurance happens to be the most baddest kind of an apple in the entire bouquet that we all talk a lot about. But when we were doing research, we realized that credit is probably topping the chart, because India is a net credit market and not a net investors market. So when we tried understanding that, we realized that credit was the most missold. The moment you are at a vulnerable state, starting from rate of interest to foreclosure charges, to selling you SIPs to recover your loan interest. I mean, even in credit itself, there could be probably a 50 different examples of missold credit, starting from a BNPL to a credit card. Something really funny happens even today with people like us. Whenever we open a bank account or something, to maintain a lot of other relationships and with the banks, the topmost person in the bank also ends up selling you that, what, I've really come up with this kind of a credit card, and I'll ask my person to get in touch with you. Why don't you take that credit card? And that's really sad and funny together, because of the irony that it actually demonstrates. So we understand that credit is one of the most missold product, and be it education loan. I think it will be very sad to know that most of the education loan in terms of value in India is taken by the people aged over 50.
How does it?
Yeah, that's the biggest thing, because what happens is we don't really have products that actually are given to students, right? They are given to parents for students. Unlike developed economy, where a student loan is actually taken by the end user, and in India it's just a shadow loan, where it is named an education loan, but it is nothing beyond a personal loan, or in some cases, even guaranteed by an asset owned by a parent. It's just a mortgage loan or a personal loan extension, and it's a very difficult situation. We see a lot of people that come to us with their personal finances, where they've sent their kids abroad, and suddenly something like COVID came up, and it's very difficult for them to restructure those liabilities.
I heard you saying India is net credit and not net investment. You want to just expand on that?
IVM.